This is how you can import your own Minecraft world into NoctoHOST. This will also work on any host like Bisect or PebbleHost. Go ahead and stop your server. What you're going to do next is you're going to find your server file. Usually it's going to look something like this. If you don't know how to get to it, press the Windows key and R. You're going to type %appdata%. Click OK, period Minecraft, and you'll be in this folder. Because I use Modrinth, I'm in a different area. Click Saves. Find the world folder that you want. For this example, I'm going to be using Generational. Right-click it, and compress it to a zip file. When that's done, you're going to go back to your panel and click on Files. Next, go back, take the zip file and drag it into NoctoHOST. It's going to upload, and it may take a little bit depending on your world size. Now that's done, you'll see the file right about here. Right-click it and click Unarchive. Let the server think, and you're going to see this new folder. A common mistake is that people will put in a folder inside of a folder. To make sure you haven't made this mistake, click on the folder. It should look something like this. If it doesn't, and you just see one folder with the name of your world file, you've made that mistake. Here's how you can fix that. Select that folder, we're going to pretend this is that folder, and click Move. Then, you're just going to delete this, and it will move it over to the correct home. Head back to the container. Now that we have this set up correctly, we need to go down to Server Period Properties. Find Level Name, and in 1.20.1 that's going to be on line 11. Type in your exact world file name. It is case sensitive. If you mess this up, it will generate a new world file. Click Save, and head back to the terminal and start your server. Congratulations, now it says Preparing World Generational, and your server is ready to go. You have uploaded your own world file.